this video, I will show you how to send money to Canada via Ria Money Transfer. So first of all, open up your app and make sure you're on the right account. And after that, you need to click on this orange button at the bottom middle. And once you do that, you can just enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's keep it 15 euro. And then in here, you need to click on the arrow down, and there you will be able to browse across all the destination countries. So go ahead and search for Canada. And once you do that, you can just fill that in. And then you can see what your recipient will receive in Canadian dollar. It is already calculated. And Ria also often gives you a nice promo rate, so that is a nice bonus as well. So you can select to deliver to bank or cash pickup. I'm just going with bank. And then you can also select your payment method. So you can click on the arrow down, and I'm just going with Payconic by Bank Contact. So that is my domestic way. And now I'm going to click on continue at the bottom. And if you're sending to yourself, you need to check this box. And if you're not sending to yourself, then go ahead and fill in the first name, middle name if that's the case, last name, and the city, region, and province. And please make sure that you enter the recipient's full name as it appears on their ID to avoid delays and miscommunication. So that's a really important step, because if you do not match the first name and the last name as on their ID, then you can get some miscommunications and delays. So go ahead and fill it in and then click on continue at the bottom. And after you've done that, you can just go ahead and search for your recipient's bank. So go ahead and fill it in, type in 3 letters, and then you will see some banks. And I'm just going to select this one, the Amex Bank of Canada. That is my bank. And then I need to fill in the transit number with 5 digits, and I need to enter the Canadian routing number. So this is depending on the bank and the country, of course. So go ahead and fill in all of the information that you need to fill in of your recipient or yourself if it's to you. And then you can just go ahead and click on continue at the bottom. And after you've done that, you can confirm this transfer. And this is how you send money to Canada via Ria Money Transfer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.